We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner, and I'm working with an HP Laserjet P-3015. So you have your toner button right here. Go ahead and press that and it'll open the front hatch. Then you'll just pull this bad boy out. And you want to make sure to set this to the side so you don't mix it up with your new one. Go ahead and unbox your new one and then follow the guides on each side. There we go. Once you hear it click in there, you know it's installed correctly. Shut your front hatch and then you should be good to go. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.